What is going on YouTube? This is Nick with Profit Day Trader here, and today we have the Green Day recap, and we're also going to have a Green Week recap. So every Friday I'm going to go over my week, kind of where I stand, and I'm going to also show you my monthly P&L. So pretty good day today. And again, a little messy. I did all pre-market trading. For some reason, Thinkorswim's been really goofy lately. For some reason, my show trade, I'll show you real quick. My show trade tabs just will not show my trades. I don't know why. It's frustrating, but I'll just go through. We won't be able to see exactly where I trade it, but I'll just kind of explain to you my thinking real quick. Do a quick video, and everybody's excited for the weekend. So, all right. So, a lot of trades. I only traded. Oh, now they pop up, of course, because they want to make me look silly. So, 1 second here. So, I only traded one stock, so it'll pop up. All right. So, I traded one stock today. I traded SPCB. I'm up $300.03 in profit for today. So, put this back over here. I traded in and out in the pre-market. I've been doing a lot of pre-market trading. For some reason, I've been doing better in pre-market than open market. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's just a coincidence. I usually didn't really trade much in the pre-market, but for some reason, it's been doing pretty good. So I've been testing it out. So again, I want to show you this. The reason why I show these videos is it's not even so much to show what I'm doing. I want to show you guys how I'm doing it. What's the reason behind some of my thinking? I want you guys to learn because I've been doing this consistently for about a year now in profits. A lot of struggle before that. So don't think if you're coming in, you're not making money right away, there's something wrong or you're not good at this. It's you got to learn, just like everything else. It's just small little things in the stock market that really make a difference. So my goal is to show you how I'm trading. These are the actual trades that I'm taking to show you, the good trades I'm taking and the bad trades I'm taking. I want you to learn this way when you start trading yourself, you can really start, making money. That's the whole point. We're all trying to make money. So again, if you like this stuff, if you've never been here before, please consider subscribing. I really want to grow this community. I really want to help you guys as much as possible. I like doing this because I'm learning as well. I'm learning a ton, trying to teach. So if you like this stuff, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you give it a thumbs up, I really appreciate it as well. So enough I'll bother you today. All right, so let's go over it real quick. So again, just traded the one stock up $303. I started around 8:30, which is pretty early for me, but I got up early. I had nothing going on. It's like, why not? Very flat. You can see the stock wasn't really moving much, which sometimes I kind of like because it makes it a little easier to get in and out of trades. It's nothing too, you're never going to lose a ton of money. When it's flat like this, you don't really lose a lot of money. But now come over here, start to get a little crazier. So this is where you can lose a lot of money. So I traded a lot of shares again, around 50,000. Seems to be kind of a common theme here. Good and bad throughout the whole morning. It wasn't really, I really didn't have an amazing day, but I caught a couple uptrends. Again, I'm always bullish. I never short stocks for two reasons. One, I see it better going up than going down. And two, Thinkorswim isn't really the best platform for shorting stocks. They don't have as much shares to borrow. So again, if you're not familiar with any of these terms, don't worry about it. It's not important just yet, but shorting is definitely harder on Thinkorswim. So again, I started trading this leg up here was good, traded it back down, bad, traded it back up, and then I did another little. At this point, I was like 200 something, and I was really close to stopping. But then I saw one tiny little uptick, took advantage of it, made like an extra $40-50, and I was like, $300, done for the week. Had a good week. So, real quick, let's go over my weekly recap. Again, very consistent this month. Very happy with my trading. Again, I took off yesterday, so I didn't see any videos. Thursdays are usually like a personal day for me, kind of thing. It's been weird. Like for some reason, I just took off 3 Thursdays in a row. That usually doesn't happen, but yesterday I wasn't home. Decided to take a little break. That's the perks of being a day trader. Wait until you start doing this full time. You're gonna love it. You can take off whenever you want. So took off yesterday just for personal reasons. No big deal. Up for the week $1,096.95. Now that's pure profit. That's after fees. That's after everything. Now you can see here, I'm up $300.03 for the day, but my profit was only $293.05. So I actually paid about $7 in fees today. That's mostly because of how many shares I've traded. The more shares you trade, they charge you small fees, but it can add up when you're trading a lot of shares. So again, the whole month, 21 cents under $3 for the month. Pretty good. If I continue this rate, hopefully, if the stock market's fortunate to me, I'll be up about $4,000 to $5,000 for the month. Not bad. Pretty good. That's kind of where I'm shooting for. Eventually, I'll be taking it up to another level. I'll be using more money, a little more riskier, but the level I'm at now, this is very comfortable for my skill set. I can handle these emotions pretty well. When I start going heavier, when I start trading with $30,000, $40,000, I really start getting more emotional and I start making worse decisions. So that's the reason why I don't really trade as much. So again, pretty simple this week. Very happy. I'm done for the week. It's 9:40 in the morning. I'm going to go enjoy my day, spend time with the people I care about. Got some money in my pocket. And again, the reason why I do this is because, again, I like the idea of helping people, because the problem is a lot of people don't believe in this. A lot of people think this is a sham. A lot of people think this is impossible, and it is very hard, of course. But I'm living proof that you can do this. Now, the reason why I wanted to start this channel in the first place is because I watch so many channels, and they're just so unrealistic, and they really set your expectations so high. They show you they're making $10,000 a day. It's very exciting. It's very fun to watch. I still like watching it. Don't get me wrong. But a lot of these guys are disingenuous. They're teaching you the wrong things. They're teaching you bad habits. This is the real side of day trading. This right here, this is the real side of day trading, especially for most people. Those guys making $10,000, $20,000 a day, they're making a fortune off YouTube, and they're just gambling like crazy to get views. It's exciting. They're making more money off the videos than they are in the stock market. So don't be fooled. There's a legitimate business to this. This is consistency. See this? 951, 1,096. This is what real day trading looks like. There's a structure to this. It's not always going to be that consistent. That's pretty consistent, but you can be consistent. I've been consistent. I haven't had a losing week since I think September, or a losing month. So I just want to understand that there's a real business to this. I just started really being consistent for the past year. I was able to quit my job because of it. So if this is something you're really interested in, just the most important thing is believe in yourself, because if I would have listened to everybody else, I would have stopped before I started. I went through such a hard, especially, remember, your first year, it's supposed to be the worst year. Why would it be your best year the first year? That doesn't make any sense. You're supposed to get better. You're not supposed to get worse. So if you really do this the right way, it just gets better and better and better. So if you're struggling out there, if you're really having a hard time getting past that next level, or if you feel like you're not making money, you feel like you can't do this, you can do this. I'm not anything special to this business. I'm just a regular guy trying to make some money, just like everybody else. So it took a long time. I went through a lot of bad nights. I went through a lot of hard times, but it's worth it. I'm telling you right now, like, I feel amazingly. This is the best feeling in the world, and I want you guys to feel the same thing. I want to teach you what I'm doing. This way you guys can start applying it and start doing it yourself, and I want you to get the same feeling that I'm getting. I mean, you can't beat this. I mean, I worked about less than an hour today. I'm up $300. I'm not trying to, it's not a braggy thing. I want you to aspire to do this. This is amazing. Why wouldn't you want to do this? This is insane. You got to be careful, of course. Not every day is going to be great. I mean, you'll see. I'll definitely have videos coming. This is a good month, but I'll definitely have videos of me losing. But when you're consistent and you minimize your losses, you can make consistent money in the stock market. So the main thing I'm trying to get out of this is I want you guys to believe in this, because if you don't believe in this, it's not going to happen. So sorry, I went a little rant there. I thought it was very important, because this business gets a bad rap, and it really makes me mad, because there's so many people over here, people on YouTube trying to take advantage of you, trying to take advantage of your emotions to get you to sign up to try to make money off you. I'm not trying to make money off you. I want you guys to learn this. I want you guys to become the 10%. Don't become the 90%. I'm becoming the 10% of this business, and I learned the hard way. But I'm glad I went through some of the struggles as well. But I don't know. I just want you guys to understand you can do this. So yeah, that's it. That's enough of my philosophy for today. Yeah, again, I hope you guys are doing well in the stock market. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. I really, really, really love this. So again, thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.